ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। नमः श्री शंकरानंद गुरुपादाम्बुजन्मने सविलास महामोह ग्राहग्रासैक कर्मणे। So we are studying which text? Panchadashi. So far, what we saw was Supreme Consciousness, Prakriti has two parts. One is Maya, other is, that is, the portion where sattva is predominant, it is called as Maya, right? The portion where Rajoguna and Tamoguna are prominent, it is called Avidya, right? And the same Brahman, when reflected in the Maya portion of Maya, Maya is Sattvaguni, Sattvaguna Pradhana, that is called Maya, where the maximum Sattva alone is there, Sattvaguna Pradhana mein, in that portion, the consciousness, Supreme Consciousness, when reflected, which is called as Maya, Maya means Sattvaguna Pradhana Prakriti, Sattvaguna Pradhana Prakriti is equal to Maya, right? In that Maya, when Supreme Consciousness reflects, it is called Ishvara. Right? And that portion of Prakriti where Rajoguna and Tamoguna are prominent, that portion is called as Avidya. In that portion, when Supreme Consciousness reflects, it is called Jiva. Clear? So far we saw. And this Itham Satchidananda Para Satchit Parananda Atma Yuktya Tathavidam Param Brahma Tayokschakyam Srutyanteshu Upadishyate. Now, having mentioned this is how that Samvit, the consciousness which is all pervading, is same. Is it not? Samvit Eka. And then the author says that the contradiction is that though we know ourself, though we know our own self, abhanena param prema, bhanena vishaye spruha, अतः बानेप्यभातासौ परमानंद आत्मनः. The contradiction is are pointed out where Atma is Paramatma Swarupa. Abhanena Param Prema. Can you love someone whom do you don't know? You don't know. You cannot love. But here, even though you don't know yourself, you love yourself. That's a contradiction. Bhanena Vishayaspraha. If once you come to know who you are, because your nature of self is Purna Ananda Swarupa, thereby you will not have any desire for any external objects. You understood? Therefore, ataha bhane api abhata asau paramananda atmanaha. Paramanandata atmanaha. Paramanandata atmanaha bhane api abhata asau. That means what? Two things. You cannot love an unknown vastu, but you don't know yourself, yet you love yourself. So you cannot say, I don't know myself. Why? Because you love yourself. Can you love anything without knowing that vastu or object or person? You cannot. Here very interesting contradiction is, you love yourself, but you don't know yourself. Another contradiction is, though you say, I know myself, in the sense I know I am, but once really if you know, there should not be any desire for external objects, because you are the nature of Ananda Swarupa. But here, Spruha is also there. So such a contradiction is seen. Therefore, here very clearly said, how it is hidden, example was given. What was the example? Adhyetru varga madhyastha putradhyana shabdavat bhane api abhanam bhanasya pratibandhena yujyate. This example is given. Though it is existing, you are unable to know it. Though you know that I exist, though you know I am, yet I don't know who I am. Example is given. What was the example? Vedic class. The father had gone to the Vedic class. Son is also chanting Vedas in a group. So because of the voice of other students, the son's voice is hidden. So what is the pratibandha there, obstacle there? Obstacles are other voices. When other voices are brought down, silenced, and you ask your own son to continue chanting, you will know that you are there. Tad nirasya viruddhasya tasya utpadanam uchyate. Therefore, what is that obstacle? Obstacle means when an object is there which can be known, which can be known, yet it is hidden from the cognition because it is not seen, right? And resulting into opposite knowledge that is not there. That is called obstacle. Obstacle. So therefore, tan nirasya viruddhasya, which we saw. So what is that nature of pratibandhatasya hetu samanabhiharaha putradhvanasratau iha anadi avidya eva vyamoha eka nibandhanam. In this case, the cause for hiding the voice of the son is what? Because of the simultaneous chanting of the class. Here in the present topic, even though Atma Tattva is ever present, it is covered by moha, delusion. What is delusion? Delusion is what? Considering X as Y. considering a vastu not as it is but something else. Like what I am, in truly I am supreme consciousness, but I consider myself as something other than that. It is because of moha. Okay? Now, up to we have seen in this way up to a 17th verses we saw. Okay? Because avidya vashagaha tu anyah tadvaichitraveda tat anekada sa karana shariram syat prajna tatra abhimanavan. Here we saw who is a prajna, who is a Taijasa, who is a Vishwa. The idea is, what is the Karana Sharira? Sattva Shuddhi Avishuddhabhyam Maya Vidya Chate Mate Maya Bimbhavashikocha Tamsa Sarvagna Ishvaraha. The Maya portion, the consciousness reflects in the Maya portion of Prakriti, he becomes Ishvara. Ishvara is keeping the Maya under his control. There the Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna is predominant. Consciousness reflects in that portion is called avidya. So avidya controls the jiva, right? He becomes jiva controlled by avidya. And that avidya, that karana sharira is called karana shariram, that cause. So that avidya vashagastu anyaha tad vaichitra vedanat anekata sa karana shariram syat. It is a karana shariram. That is the karana shariram under the influence of avidya, and that avidya is on account of many differences, many jivas are there because of the variation of avidya in each jiva. Combination of rajoguna and tamoguna varies in each jiva. Because of that avidya varies, because of that jivas are plenty. Okay. So the jiva identified with the causal body is called as prajna. Now why it is called as causal body? Cause of what? The next question. So here we are entering a similar topic as that of Tattva Bodha. Okay? Tama pradhana prakrutehe tadbhogayeshwarajñaya viyatpavana jombo bhuvo bhutani jagnire tamapradhana prakrutehe tadbhogayeshwarajñaya viyatpavana jombo bhuvo bhutani jagnire. तद्भोगाय, तद्भोगाय कस्य भोगाय? जीवस्य भोगाय, जीव भोगाय. Jiva bhoga, the jiva is formed there. No, jiva bhogaya, for the sake of experiences of jiva. So for the experiences of that prajna, Tatman prajna jiva. What had happened? Tamapradhana prakrutehe. That prakriti which is predominantly of the nature of tamas, that portion. Tamapradhana is there, no? Tamapradhana rajoguna milita prakriti is there, which is called as avidya. And there the pratibimba Chaitanyam is jiva, and that jiva is controlled by avidya. What is Maya? Sattva guni prakriti. Prakriti, two bhagas are there. I am again and again repeating so the concept become clear. Prakriti has got two parts. One is Sattva guna pradhana prakriti, Rajo tamo guna pradhana prakriti. The two parts are there. Imagine like that. When consciousness reflects in Sattva guni prakriti, That Sattva-guni Prakriti is called Maya. Again repeating, that Sattva-guni Prakriti is called Maya. So in that Maya means what? Sattva-guni Prakriti. Sattva-guni Prakriti means where Sattva predominant Prakriti, no Rajas and no Tamas. In that the pure Brahman reflected. In that portion when Brahman gets reflected, that reflected consciousness is called as Ishvaraha. So that Ishvara is controlling the Maya. He is the controller of Maya. Therefore, Ishvara is called as Mayapati. Thus, Brahman reflected in Rajoguni, Tamoguni Prakriti. The Rajoguni, Tamoguna predominant Prakriti is called as Avidya. This side Sattva-guni predominant Prakriti is called Maya. In this side Rajoguna, Tamoguna predominant Prakriti is called as Avidya. And there in that portion where Rajoguna, Tamoguna predominant Prakriti, in that portion when Brahman reflected, he becomes Jiva, controlled by Avidya. Avidya is Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Pradhana Prakriti is called as Avidya. So in that Pratibimba Chaitanyam is called as Jiva, and there in the case of Maya, Ishvara Pratibimbam is controlling the medium of Pratibimbam. Maya is controlled by Ishvara. Here Avidya is controlling the Jiva. Right? No, Jiva is what? Controlled by Prakriti. Which Prakriti? Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Because of that, he has plenty of desires. He has to bhoga. So for his bhoga, so from that Prakriti, Tama Pradhana Prakritehe. From that predominantly tamas portion of the Prakriti, Tadbhogaya Prajna Bhogaya, Prajna ke liye, for the bhoga, for the experience of that Prajna. Who is Prajna? Means what? Jivaha. Why is called Prajna? Prakarshena Ajnaha. Prakarshena Ajna means he is extremely ignorant of himself, of the Jagat, of the Ishvara, of Paramatma. He is all round ignorant. Special title has to be given, awarded. Parambuddhu is called Jiva. न वो अपने आप के बारे में जानते हैं, न अपने आप को जानता है, न दूसरों को जानता है, न जगत को जानता है, न ईश्वर को जानता है। इसी सबका अधिष्ठान ब्रह्म को जानता है, किसी को भी नहीं जानता। और सबसे बड़ी बात यही है, वे अपने आप को ज़्यादा जानता है करके मानता है। Such a बेवकूफ number one is Jiva. We don't know anything. Okay. Guru also never reveals the total knowledge to us, because our katoris are small katoris. So Guru, he feeds us like a bird is fed. But small quantities are fed. The more you go inside, more and more knowledge comes. The Guru feeds slowly. Therefore, do not ever consider that the Guru knows only that much what he teaches. Don't limit Guru by what he teaches. He is much more than that. And beauty is, a guru is not inclined to make you know about his glory. Understood? मैं इतना जानता हूँ, तुम ये जानो. This thought doesn't exist. And Jiva is absolute Buddhu. So for that Jiva Bhogaya, Ishvara Ajnaya, see, for the sake of Jiva's Bhoga, from the Tamoguna predominant Prakriti, Ishvara's Ajnaya, Ishvara gave Ajna. Prakriti creates. Who is the Ajnakari? Ajna dene wala? Ishvara. Prakriti obeys Ishvara's will. Prakriti by herself cannot do anything. So Ishvara's will is required. But Ishvara's will without Prakriti cannot be manifested. So Ishwarajnaya Viyat Pavana Teja Ambhu Bhuvo Bhutani Jajnire. He created. They are manifested, created. What? In serial. What did he create? Space, Viyat, space, Pavana, air, Tejaha, fire, Ambu, water, Bhuvaha, earth. From which he created? From Tamapradhana Prakriti. From the Prakriti which is predominantly of Tamoguna. From Tamoguna aspect of Prakriti, these 5 Pancha Mahabhutas are created. So far clear? Now which Pancha Mahabhutas are created? Tanmatras are created. Tanmatras means Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala and Prithvi. That is space, air, fire, water and earth. Tanmatra means what? In their purest form, at subtle level. They are not visible. What is visible is Panchikruta Tanmatras, after mixture. That will come slowly. So he created Tanmatras, 5 Tanmatras, which are not perceived through senses. That space, that air, that water elements, they are not visible. They are imperceptible to senses. Okay? Clear? So now he started creating. Creating for what? For the sake of jivas. Out of compassion. This world, presently the world in which we are in, which world we are in this classroom, is exclusively created to exhaust our vasanas. Today, tomorrow you may not come for the class, but tomorrow for your exhaustion, Ishvara may have created some other world. But today we are here means Ishvara has ordered us to exhaust our vasanas. Exhaust the vasanas as a speaker, exhaust the vasana as a listener. When will you stop listening? When you know the truth. When will I stop speaking? When I get akal. That जिस दिन मुझे अकल होता है, उस दिन से बंद कर देता हूँ। इसका मतलब अब तक अकल नहीं हुआ, हो जाएगा एक दिन। सो इट इज ऑल वासना एग्जॉशन, जीवास वासना, for which he created tanmatras. Tanmatras are before the mixture. They are in pristine, purified form. They cannot be seen. Now, Prakriti has Sattva-guna aspect, Rajo-guna aspect, Tamo-guna aspect. From Tamo-guna aspect, what did he create? Tanmatras. So you can write down. From Tamo-guna aspect of Prakriti, the 5 Tanmatras are created. Now what about Sattva-guna aspect of Prakriti? Next. Sattvaംशैः पञ्चभिस्तेषाम् क्रमादेन्द्रियपञ्चकम् श्रोत्रत्वगक्षिरसन घ्राणाख्यामुपजायते। सत्त्वांशैः पञ्चभिस्तेषां क्रमादेन्द्रियपञ्चकं श्रोत्रत्वगक्षिरसन घ्राणाख्यमुपजायते. Now, from the Sattva Guna aspect of the 5 elements, so nature of the subtle body now is explained from 19 to 23rd. 19 to 23rd explain the formation of the subtle body. Now, from the sattvic aspects of Pancha Mahabhutas, because प्रकृति में गुण के अंदर गुण होता है, सत्व के अंदर तमोगुण, तम के अंदर सत्व रज, रज के अंदर सत्व तम, ऑल गुणास में गुण होता ही रहता है, इट्स ऑल मिक्सचर. So therefore sattvaंशैः पंचभिः तेषां, from the 5 elements of these 5 elements, from the sattva aspect of these 5 elements, which are 5 elements? Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. That is space, air, fire, water and earth. This Tanmatra means those subtle elements which are not perceptible, which are in subtler form. So from them, from each of the sattvic aspect of it. So Sattva Guna aspect from the Akasha, Sattva Guna aspect from Vayu, Sattva Guna aspect from Agni, Sattva Guna aspect from water, Sattva Guna aspect from Prithvi. What are the created? Shrotra Tvagakshi Rasana Ghranakyam Upajayate. The 5 senses are created. Jnanendriyas are created. Jnanendriyas are created. So first Tanmatra created. From Tanmatras, each Tanmatra is Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna again. So from Sattvic aspect of Tanmatras, what did he create? From Akasha, Shrotra is created. From space, ears are created. So what is that? Kaan ka gun shabda. Shabda is possible only in space. So from space, sattvic aspect of space, ear is created. From sattvic aspect of air, skin is created, touch, tvak. And from sattvic aspect of fire, eyes are created. From sattvic aspect of water, What is created? Akshi rasana, tongue, taste. Tongue is created. And from the sattvic aspect of earth, what is created? Ghrana, nose, is created. Clear? So what are created? Srotra, Tvag, Akshi, Rasana, Ghranakhyam Upajayate. Serially they are born. From this sattvic aspect of the Tanmatras. What are Tanmatras? Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. From this, Indriyas are created. Okay? Now, this. Now, are all created. Okay. But no, there must be coordination between all the sense organs. Bhagwan, 5 created organs are. Who will coordinate all these 5? The brain, high brain. We are not even talking about physical creation. Brain कहाँ आया नहीं अभी तक? We are not even come to physical creation. So Antakarana is created. Meaning all the sense organs, perceptions are brought, collected, analyzed and responded. By whom? Mind. Antakarana. That's what it says. So what is Antakarana? Coordinating agent. He coordinates. Suppose if there is no coordination between what you hear, what you see, what you smell, what you taste and what you touch. Tell me, can you do cooking? Can you do driving? Can you listen? Why? While we are listening, open you are seeing the speaker to see, to listen. Multiple activities you are seeing also, no? Can you do driving? There must be coordination between hearing, seeing and smelling also. Suppose some cable is burning, then you should apply brake. Then to apply brake you have to see. To see, eyes should be there. So eyes are coordinating with what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, what you touch. Are you understanding? Suppose there is no coordination between these 5 sense organs, nobody can live. So Ishvara has to create some coordinating agent. Where he coordinates, he gets all impulses, the perceptions and mixes it up, meaning he will analyze and respond accordingly. That is called Antakaranam. So, Tairantakaranam sarvaihi vritti bhedena tadvidha mano vimarsha rupam syat buddhisya nischayatmika Tairantakaranam sarvaihi vritti bhedena Taihi means by these, sarvaihi. Taihi sarvai means by these sattvic aspects of all the Panchamahabhutas. Mixture from the Sattva Guna aspect of all the Panchamahabhutas. माने सत्व ऑफ आकाश, सत्व ऑफ वायु, सत्व ऑफ, यहाँ पे मेरे हाथ देखो समझ में आ जाएगा, सत्व ऑफ आकाश, सत्व ऑफ वायु, वही डाल रहा हूँ मैं, सत्व ऑफ अग्नि, सत्व ऑफ वाटर, सत्व ऑफ, डाला कहाँ, इधर ही बीच में, एक साथ उसको मिलाया अच्छी तरह से। जैसे आप बनाते हैं ना चपाती, उसमें गेहूँ, बाजरा, बार्ली सब मिला के मल्टी रोटी में नहीं, मल्टीग्रेन रोटी है, ग्रेन क्यों बोला है, मल्टीग्रेन रोटी बन गया। इसी तरह सत्वगुण एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ऑल वाज कलेक्टेड, मसाला से बन गया अंतःकरण। तैहि अंतःकरणम सर्वैहि, that becomes अंतःकरणम। वृत्ति भेदेन तद्विधा, and this अंतःकरणम from the vritti bheda, from the standpoint of varieties of thoughts it entertains, that those thoughts which are entertained in the antahkarana are broadly divided into two types of thoughts. In antahkarana mein two types of thoughts are divided. Vritti bhedena, depending upon the difference of the thoughts, tadvidha is twofold. Am I going fast or slow? Medium. Okay, increase speed. ठीक है? तो what is happening? This antahkarana is of two types. Twofold. Of thoughts में there are two types of thoughts. Mano vimarsha rupam syat. When those thoughts are volatile, in agitation, not came to conclusion, in agitation mode, doubt, vimarsha rupam, doubt, because agitation because of doubt. So those thoughts which are in doubtful form, that is called mind. Mind. Manaha vimarsha rupam. Right? And other kind of thoughts, what are they? Nishchayatmika syat buddhi. And those thoughts which have come to a firm conviction. ठीक है? सपोज मैं कॉफ़ी पीऊँ, चाय पीऊँ, ग्रीन टी पीऊँ, मसाला चाय पीऊँ, तुलसी दल पीऊँ, अदरक की चाय पीऊँ, यार नहीं तो रेडीमेड चाय पी लूँ, बिना चीनी पीऊँ, विथ चीनी पीऊँ, नहीं तो शुगर फ्री डालूँ, या नहीं तो हनी डालूँ, नहीं तो शुगर क्यूब डाल के पीऊँ। माय गॉड, कितनी चाय में कितनी वैरायटी, और भी वैराइटीज है। बड़े कप में पीऊँ, छोटे कप में पीऊँ, कम पीऊँ या ज़्यादा पीऊँ, गर्मा गर्म पीऊँ या कोल्ड कॉफ़ी पीऊँ, कोल्ड टी पीऊँ। Swamiji, we don't get that thoughts, only you are implanting into us. आप खराब कर रहे हैं हमको, इतने विचार हमको आते ही नहीं, आप हमको पढ़ा रहे हैं। That is called mind. Mind portion is active. चलो बोलेगा, अब देखो कौन सी सब्जी बनाओ, माँ उवाचा। घर में एक माँ पूछती है कौन सब्जी बताओ, बोलते हैं आलू। विल शी कीप क्वाइट? नो। कैसे बनाओ? आलू में भी बाप रे कितनी वैरायटी सब्जी है। हमारा कलकत्ता में और चैतन्यानंद जी कहते, तो चले गए अभी ऊपर, चैतन्यानंद जी कहते थे जब वहाँ पे एक आदमी था, अभी भी होगा वो खाना बनाने वाला, जब मैं कलकत्ता गया था, बहुत बार गया हूँ, एक बार जब वहाँ स्वामी जी थे वहीं, बोले क्या खाओगे, बोले आप बताओ क्या बनता है सर, मेरा तो अलग ही है खाना, कोई बात नहीं, हमारा विशिष्ट कुक है, वैरायटी बनाता है वो। कौन सी वैरायटी बनाता है? सुबह मटर आलू, शाम को आलू मटर। मैंने ये क्या बात है, जो ज़्यादा है उसका नाम पहले ले लेना, बस इतना ही। तो therefore इतने वैरायटी, she can't keep quiet, mother, till she decides what kind of aloo to be made, then she become buddhi. Firm conviction means buddhi हो गई, when in doubt mind, everywhere every time होता है ऐसे, क्षण क्षणम these two operations. Suppose you have 4 pairs of slippers, 4 pairs, you get doubt what to wear, आज कौन सा पहन के जाऊं, देखो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है माइंड। सो थोड़ा विमर्श करके चलो ये पहन लेते हैं, बुद्धि। देखिए, सो मनोविमर्श रूपम स्यात् निश्चयात्मिका बुद्धि। अब तक क्या क्या हुआ? फॉर जीव एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम तमोगुण प्रकृति ऑफ माया, आकाश, वायु, अग्नि, जल, पृथ्वी तन्मात्रास आर क्रिएटेड. सृष्टि has not descended yet, nothing has come, somewhere कहीं हो रहा है, subtle created. From that sattva guna aspect of those 5 elements, from each one, from akasha, sattva guna aspect of akasha, what is created? Ears, then touch, skin, then eyes, then tongue, then nose. 5 sense organs are created from sattvic aspect of, but coordinating agent is required. Then what did Ishvara did? Ishvara said, okay, from the collective sattvic aspect of all these, he created Anthakarana. Anthakarana is of twofold. When in doubt, restless, agitated, it is called mind. When it comes to conviction, conclusion, is called intellect. So far Tamoguna is done, Sattvaguna is done. Now Rajoguna aspect is left out. What did he create? Rajomshai panchabhistesham kramat karmendriyani tu vak panipadapāyo pāyopastā vidhānāni jagnire. Rajomshai panchabhistesham kramat karmendriyani tu vakpānipadapāyo pastabhidhanani jagnire. Either way you split, बनता नहीं, ठीक है. Now रजोंशैहि पंचभिः तेषां. Now रजोगुण aspect of आकाशा, रजोगुण aspect of वायु, रजोगुण aspect of अग्नि, रजोगुण aspect of water, रजोगुण aspect of Prithvi. Kramat, in the same order, Karmendriyas are created. Karmendriyas are what? Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upasthani. What is Vak? Speech is created from space, Rajoguna space, and then from Rajoguna aspect of air, what is created? Pani, hands, then Pada, third say, Pada, Rajoguna aspect say, legs, then Payu, organs of excretion, Upastha, organs of reproduction, Bidhanani, Abhidhanani, known as Karmendriyani, Jagnire, Upasthabhidhanani, Karmendriyani, Jagnire. They are called Karmendriyas. Clear?
These are from the Rajas.
So, organs of action are created from Rajoguna. Clear? Organs of perception are created from Sattvaguna aspect of Tanmatras. Organs of action are created from Rajoguna aspect of Tanmatras. Now, again there is a coordinating agent required between hand, legs, everything, no? Otherwise, if there is no coordination between organs of action, you cannot exist. Very difficult, I tell you. Imagine each organ of action is independent and doesn't know, there is no coordination. Bapre. I tell you one thing. Ignorantly, we are abusing this beautiful mission. Which mission? Human body. We are abusing it. Wow, such a sophisticated, brilliant mission it is. And it is said in Yoga Shastras, this brain is capable of containing the universe in it. It can expand, not physical brain. If physical brain expands, a disease. That inside that you can expand and contain the whole universe in it. That is the capacity of Sahasrara Chakra. इतना capacity है. And उस इतने अच्छे beautiful golden patra, we are using it as a dustbin. Golden vessel, pure gold, high quality, shining. We are using it as a kooda. Sometimes dukh hota hai. So what am I doing with my brain? चलो क्या करते हैं. तै सर्वै सहितै प्राणो वृत्तिभेदात् स पंचधा प्राणोपानः समानश्च उदानौ व्यानौ च ते पुनः तै सर्वै सहितै प्राणो वृत्तिभेदात् स पंचधा प्राणोपानः समानश्च उदान उद्यानोचते पुनः न तै सर्वैः no collective rajoguna. So see, listen. Rajoguna of space, rajoguna of air, rajoguna of fire, rajoguna of water, rajoguna of earth. All rajogunas are collected and mixed. सत्वगुण कलेक्टेड मिक्सड क्या बना? अंतःकरण. रजोगुण मिक्सड क्या बनता है? प्राणमय शरीर. प्राणमय शरीर, प्राण शक्ति. प्राण शक्ति इज फॉर्म्ड. वाइटल एयर, प्राणास, पंच प्राणास, प्राण शक्ति is created. Okay? The Antakarana was divided into 4 actually, but we have discussed only 2 only. Mind and Buddhi. Actually Antakarana in सबके द्वारा thread going through Ahankara भी है. Then Chitta also is there, but we did not spoke much about it. But basically mind and intellect there. Now here the same Prana Shakti divided into 5 functions. Are you clear understanding now? What is the 5 this one? How it all came? Because Jiva is Prajna, is causal body. He is holding on to causal body. That causal body, cause of what? Cause of entire thing. Okay. So prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana. Prana is inhalation, excretion is apana, right? Samana, udana is nervous system, vyana is blood circulation, samana is digestive fire. Digestion. Okay? Now, what is the total net result of all these creations? Buddhi karmendriya prana panchakair manasadhiya शरीरं सप्तदशभिः सूक्ष्मं तल्लिङ्गमुच्यते बुद्धिकर्मेन्द्रियप्राणा पञ्चकैर्मनसाधिया शरीरं सप्तदशभिः सूक्ष्मं तल्लिङ्गमुच्यते. Now Sukshma Sharira is formed. What is that for? How it is formed? 5 sensors. 5 senses? You know what are 5 senses? And organs of action. 5 organs of sense organs, how are they formed? Born from Tanmatras only, no? Organs of action born from Tanmatras only. And the product of Rajoguna is Pranamaya Sharira. So, now see, Jnanendriyas, how many? 5. Karmendriyas, how many? Panchapranas, how many? 5. And that Sattva mein 2, no? Mind and intellect. Total how many? 17. These 17 form the subtle body. Shariram saptadashabhihi sukshmam tallingamuchyate. This subtle body, which is constituting the 17 of them together, is called as what? Linga Sharira. लिंग शरीर. Anyway, some deeper meaning is there. Linga means what? Sign. Okay, sight. It gives sign. Linga means sign. Yogis see our subtle body. That becomes a sign of your character, your evolution, your mind. If yogi looks at your subtle body through his Divya Shakti, he will know A to Z about you. Not mind reading, not face reading and all. Because every emotion, what kind of thoughts were playing at that time, everything he knows. That is. And it becomes sign. And for after death also, that becomes sign. Somebody can see, you can, this condition of subtle body, mind, intellect, all organs, the condition of it determines what kind of person you are. घूमते रहेंगे ऐसे. Helpless victims. Not victims, helpless, moved by our karma. हमारा कोई हमारा नहीं है, हम किसी का भी नहीं है, केवल परमात्मा एक साथ में है, हम भटक रहे हैं. कब से? अनादिकाल से. How many mothers you got, how many fathers you got, how many brothers, how many sisters, how many wives, how many husbands, how many types of children, how many kinds of neighbors you got in this entire mosquito wife, mosquito children, mosquito wife, mosquito husband, family. भटकात्मा, लिंग शरीर है. एंड उसको लिंग शरीर को अभी रखना है कहीं, उसके लिए देखते हैं क्या होगा. सो लिंग शरीर इज ओवर डन. ओके, डन. लिंग शरीर इज डन. सटल बॉडी इज क्रिएटेड. दैट इज यू. मेरे में सटल बॉडी है तो बुद्धू आप में सटल बॉडी आप ही है, आप में और कोई नहीं है. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ प्राज्ञस्तत्राभिमानेन तैजसत्वं प्रपद्यते. हिरण्यगर्भतामीशः तयोर्व्यष्टिः समष्टिता. Read. Good. Prajñah tatra abhimanena. Now, prajñah tatra abhimanena. Prajñah means who? Identified with causal body. Is it not? Right? See, causal body or no identified with causal body is called prajna. Jiva, when identified with the causal body, is given a name as prajna. Okay? Jiva when identified with subtle body is called Taijasa. That's what he said. Prajñah tatra abhimanena Taijasatvam prapadyate. So the prajna being identified with subtle body, so he descended. Karana Sharira upar. The Jiva descended. So Jiva identified with Karana Sharira is called prajna, descended, identified with subtle body, called as Taijasa. Okay? Now, so similarly, Ishvara, who is Ishvara? Vyashti, individual causal body, identified with individual causal body is Jiva, called as Prajna. Identified with the total causal body and much more beyond also is Ishvaraha. See? So, Samashti Karana Shariram, Ishvaraha, and Vyashti Karana Shariram, Prajna. Corresponding level. Jiva identified with the individual causal body, Prajna. Ishvara identified total causal body is Ishvara. That Brahman identified total causal body is called Ishvara. Next level, he is Taijasa. Jiva identified with subtle body. Who is Ishvara? Identified with all subtle bodies and much beyond that also. Hiranyagarbha. So Hiranyagarbhatam Ishaha. This is the difference between Vyashti and Samashti. Samashtirisha sarvesham swatmatādātmya vedanāt tadabhāvāt tatonyeto katyante vyashti sanjnaya. Samashtirisha sarvesham So now who is Ishvara? Because he is identified with totality of all beings. Ishvara sarvabhutanam hruddeshe arjuna tishtati. Okay? Brahmajan sarvabhutani yantrarodhani maya. 18th chapter also. So Ishvara is with all beings, enveloping all beings. He is completely there in all beings as substratum. So Ishvaraha sarvesham swatma tādatmya vedanāt. Because he is identified with everybody and he knows everything. Think. So he is identified as called Samashti, while Jiva is what? Vyashti. No aitad abhavat, not identified with totality, is called as Vyashti. Okay? So Ishvaraha is Samashti, Jiva is Vyashti. This is the now. Afterwards, what we should do? We created Ishvara is Samashti and Vyashti. Now he has to further descend the creation down. It is still at subtle level only. No grossified universe is nothing, no sun, no galaxies, no stars, no planets, nothing is created. Now the design somewhere at subtle level, all the artwork is done. Colors are to be put. When colors are put, it is called Sushti descending into physical frame. When only artwork is done at subtle level. Before that, painter gives outlining of the sketch. The sketch is in his mind. So first that is there, then he brings the sketch outside, then he puts colors. When we study Chitradeepa Prakarana, we can study more about it. How he brought that creation into physical level, how he precipitated it, manifested it. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.